Hello students, class 10. Let's start our English study. Today is chapter 4 from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay. This is a story about a young girl whose name was Anne Frank. And Anne Frank have written in this means chapter as the diary entry. Diary entry, it is also a way of writing skill. In this we can mention the incident's date and time, means every day we can write here. And Anne Frank have also written it in her teenage, and she was a teenager, and it is the story of that time when, means Jewish also tortured by Nazis, and in Germany Hitler was become much more dictatorship, and Jewish means were hiding by means to Nazis. Nazis become hyper, and that time because she was a Jewish girl, and means she and her family was in hiding condition that time, means she was with 7 members also, means hidden in her father's office, means father's office there where in Amsterdam, there, and his father also Ottoman also was there. Otto Frank means was only for the surviving that family that time, and due to hiding Anne Frank felt herself alone. So, for the means sharing her emotions and feelings, she realized that she should write something. And on the birthday occasion, on her birthday of 13th year, means her grandmother had gifted her a diary and pen. And from that day, after that, she had decided to start writing the incident during hiding in her diary. And so lovingly she had kept the name of her diary Kitty. In this way, when she felt alone and when she wanted to talk to anyone, that time she had expresses the things, incidents in diary, and that is written in diary entry, means what happened today, what happened next day, about her sister, about mother, and about another persons also, what happened on that day. These things she have written on that diary, and it means she had indicated the diary as her friend dearest Kitty. Okay, so means she have described the special experiences also on hiding time, and when after 2 years her family caught by them, and they also sent to concentration camp, and due to fear Annie's being died, and after that all the 8 members, only her father being alive after World War II, during World War that time. Okay, then his father looked that only her diary was safe, and it is the only source of the things, means by which they can publish it and people know what happened on that time, hiding time, and during the dictatorship of Hitler. So they have decided to publish the diary, and this diary become popular everywhere, and all the citizens also very appreciate this diary, and a lot of means films, telefilms, and plays played by peoples on these incident, depend on these incident. We can see the real change in her life by her diary entry, because she have explained the experiences and feelings also, means in her expression she have written she was also feeling in love by the Peter, with the Peter, and in this way we know that the adolescence, whatever, those feelings she have written. Okay. And the second section, she have written about the schooling, about the school performance. Okay. And she had discussed with dear Kitty the schooling day. On that day, means their class result going to declare, and everyone is scattered silence. Students means sitting silently there, and everyone have confidence, and Annie have confidence also. Nothing will be happen wrong, because they know they will be passed. Everyone means she have only fear in one subject, maths, and because she was not good in maths. Okay. And when their result being declared, no one announced as failed, and teachers also, she have commented on teachers, means they should stop the students on same class if they were not able to promote the next class. Even teachers had promoted everyone to next class. And she have also expressed there about an incident during schooling. And at her school there were 9 teachers, means 7 men's and 2 women's, and she liked the all teachers very much, and all teachers likes her also. After that, a teacher, maths teacher, was Mr. Kissing. In Mr. Kissing classes, means she also very talkative girl, and she always talk with her friends in schooling time. So Mr. Kissing become very disturbed, and one day he have given a punishment for the writing. And on that day he had given, the topic of that writing was the chatterbox. Firstly, she became very sad, but she have written that topic and kept the copy inside the bag. And then her friend also decided to help her on this topic. And next day when she was writing her homework, means she have care on that topic, that punishment whatever, the topic chatterbox. And she started writing on that topic, same topic. She have written 3 pages on chatterbox, and she have also explained seriously what is the quality of students, and chatting is very necessary for them. She have written there, means without talking to each other, how students will share their knowledge, how they will comment to each other, means everything she have written there. Means students life chatting and talking is very important, it's not totally ignored. Okay. And she have also written there, it is her, means hereditary quality, because her mother was also talkative, so she cannot control on herself totally to being silent in class. And she have written a story of a duck also, where means by that duckling quacks their parents had killed. In this way she want to say that, prove that, means talking is not totally wrong, it's maybe good for the students, because in this way they can discuss their knowledge to each other. Okay. These incidents she have also expresses in her diary with dear Kitty. Okay. She have written in her assignment about a story of a mother duck. She have, means 3 children's ducklings, and one of them, means dead by their father, beaten by their father and being died due to their too much quack quack quack. And it is the common habit of that ducklings, but father was become upset and beaten as it become died. Okay. In this way Mr. Kissing when read this poem with his own comments also, and then he had declared the conclusion, they should not do as, because it's common for the ducklings. So Means from that day he realized that it's also the student's quality of talking something. From that day she was also means got relaxed from the punishment of the essay writing. Otherwise, when she talked with the friends in class, Mr. Kissing always had given the punishment and essay on topics. Okay, means in this way chapter being finished. But the sum up of this chapter and the diary entry, here we get the knowledge how to write the diary entry, and in this way we can know the all the things what happened on that time, means by the means portrait, you can say pen portrait. Okay, and in this way any Frank's adolescence and her quality we can see in this chapter. Whatever her feelings, she was also a means emotional girl like the alls, but there's life being danger due to dictatorship of Hitler in Germany. Okay, thanks. The moral of the chapter is that means people can be popular, can do any work as means for generation to generation we remember like Annie Frank, and she was a very early aged girl, but everyone is knowing about her because due to writing. So writings never dies. Things may be destroyed, ages may be passed, but whatever you have written, writings will never die. So Annie Frank's this diary entry is also never ending extract. Okay, we can do anything in any situation. We got the message by this chapter also. Thanks.